Start.
So, well, this is a safety net to put metal halide lamp and halogen lamp. We are also providing an Allen key. Just you have to open the screw it in this way. Just see, I'm loosening it. I'm loosening it here also. I can loosen it, and you have to put metal halide lamp. This is 70 watt here. And the second one is this is the 500 watt halogen lamp. This also you have to put here. Okay, this is the safety net. The second thing I want to tell you is this is the sodium vapor lamp. This is a 150 watt. You have to open these 4 screws and just to put it in this way, and just to make it in this way, correct? And the wiring and this panel is used, that is high pressure sodium vapor lamp panel EMP88. This will be used to glow this 150 watt halogen lamp. Now my second thing is that working with switches. One experiment I want to show you. There is a 230 volt AC available here that we have already studied here. There are 2 MCBs. It is going to HIT3. From HIT3 it is going to EMT7, that is a load panel, lamp load panel, and the block diagram is given here. Wiring sequence is also provided here, and there is a procedure also. Just what I will do is that I will make it on. I will make the 2 ampere switch, 2 ampere MCB on, and I will make this one-way switch on. Correct? This is one simple experiment for students to understand. I'll make it off. I'll make it. So in this way, I have completed the video demonstration of house commercial wiring installation trainer Expo HIT. Thank you for watching my video.